Alright, so we're going to take you to two different places here in New Jersey. If you live in Central Jersey, this would be a pretty cool place to visit. We are here in Washington Rock State Park, and we're going to go check it out. This occasion, I have my friend here, Roro.
What's going on?
My sister, who is over there, and you know she's carrying extra baggage. She's pregnant, and this was the guy that did it to her. He's her husband, though. Beautiful area. It's a very, very nice day. There's a Washington Rock State Park sign. People enjoying the great weather. Now this is where basically George Washington, he moved his army from Morristown to the Watchung Mountains above Boundbrook. So he was able to survey everything here for the American Revolution. And it's quite a view. Definitely want to take you over there. Alright, so of course, American flag up here. Look at this view, very impressive. Very far, you can see the view of New York City and all of New Jersey. All right, so now we are in Watchung Reservation in Watchung, New Jersey. And I'm gonna take you through one of my favorite trails. I think you guys will like it too, so follow me. So from the parking lot, you come here to the Skytop picnic area. And behind this, we're gonna see a pretty cool trail. Looks like a lot of trees have been either cut or just simply fell. That's a very pretty area. I mean, this looks like could be elsewhere in a different state, not New Jersey, but I really do love this trail. It's peaceful, barely anyone here. Not many people know about it, and this is beautiful. This is always exciting when you have a roadblock. Oh. It's gonna be interesting, a pregnant lady doing it. Little Alejandro, never thought he would be hiking with you. And we ended up at the end of the trail in the street, so now we're just going back to the parking lot. But I do hope that you enjoy this trail. You come check it out, Watchung, New Jersey. And I hope you enjoyed this video in its entirety. So, like always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and enjoy it. So please comment below what was your favorite part of this trail. All right, before we go, what was your favorite part of this trail?
The trail or the day?
Okay, you can say the day.
Washington Rock. I think it was really nice.
Okay.
Seeing everything.
Washington Rock, so you enjoyed Washington Rock more than the Watchung Reservation?
I think Watchung Reservation was really nice too. Washington Rock.
Okay. Let's move on to the next interview.
I enjoyed over here, Watchung by the bridge. We're able to see like the nice little water. Just sit down, relax, talk, have a good time, and just enjoy nature.
For sure, for sure. And to finalize this interview,
My favorite part was the part where we sat down.
I'm sure. What about you, Alfredo? Oh, you don't talk yet? Okay, no problem. We'll hear from you soon. Wow, look at all the birds on these trees. Look at that. This kid just leaves.